Not sure if this is gonna show up, but we got a light show from Mother Nature going on just south of me about 30 miles. Can you see all the lightning? It has been just crazy here in Minnesota. They had hail the size of grapefruit in northern Minnesota tonight, and it was just bananas. Some of the chunks of hail that they were showing were as big as your hand. It was just crazy. But it all went north of me, so the garden survived the storm. There was a good blast. Trying to hold this as steady as possible so you all can see this. Came outside so that I appreciate my AC being on. And this is what I've been watching for about the last half hour. Some of them have been really bright, like that one. Some of them have been really faint, but they're getting thunderstorms, and we've got a thunderstorm watch until 2 a.m. this morning. So the weather band radio is on, and it's right on my bed, so I hear it in case we get it bad here. I'm hoping to get out here in the morning and cut chamomile and whatever else herbs need to be cut, and get water into all these, because they're talking heat indices of nearly 100 degrees. Ugh. But I wanted to show you the Mother Nature's show. There was a good one. Well, I'm gonna sign off. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Don't sweat to death, everybody. Bye.